Governor Kate Brown today tells us she is working on requirements involving wearing masks in offices. Lisa Balick joins us live from Southwest Portland with more on this and possible travel restrictions.
Yeah, there have been a lot of issues over where and when to wear a mask in an office setting. That's why the governor's now trying to set a standard.
Do I wish I had implemented face coverings earlier when we started the reopening process? Yes. The answer is yes. The science wasn't as clear.
But after just over a month since masks were required for all indoor public areas, COVID cases have leveled off in Oregon. Now the governor's working with businesses and health experts on a required mask policy inside offices. She expects to release guidelines in the next couple of weeks. The governor was asked why, though, she's not shutting down restaurants and bars again. She points to what contact tracers find from those infected. Those venues are not where they've been. But the governor is still considering travel restrictions on visitors from border states or hotspots. It's not easy to do.
I know that many Oregonians cross state lines for work, education, and vice versa, Washingtonians, Idahoans, and maybe a few Californians. There are also supply chains to consider. These are really complex issues.
Today, the Oregon Parks Department did announce a 30% surcharge for out-of-state campers starting Monday on new reservations. It's designed to encourage people to stay local and help with a budget shortfall. And while the COVID curve is temporarily level, I asked what they expect this fall when their weather changes and everybody heads indoors.
We will continue to monitor the data, and if we see as people are spending more time inside, particularly if they're increasing their social circles and not covering their faces in those settings, if we're seeing additional spread, we'll have discussions about additional actions we may need to take to keep the virus under control until a COVID-19 vaccine is available.
Now, one other bit of news from the governor today, she says all state offices that have not yet reopened, which is a lot of them, will not be reopening until at least October. Live in Southwest Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.